In this video, I'll show you how to check your competitors' ads for free. You can also use this method to explore the ads of any company if you like their creative or to get inspiration for your campaigns in a specific industry. So I'll be talking about Google Ads Library, LinkedIn Ads Library, and Meta Ads Library in this video. Let's start with Google Ads Transparency Center, which is their ad library. By the way, I'll paste the links for all these libraries in the description. So now I am on the Google Ads Transparency Center, which is their ads library. So you can choose the date, specific date, country, and the platform. So Google by default selects the country you're located in. You can change this as you like. The time and the platforms, I'll leave it as is, and for the country I'll choose anywhere. I'll explain you why in a minute. And now let's type Apple. So this is their ads account, and now you see all their ads, like everywhere they're running in the world. So the reason why I asked you to choose anywhere here, because if you select a certain country here, let's say France, and then you search the company name, if they're not advertising in that company, Google does not show any results. So that is why I've suggested to choose anywhere over there. But you are certain that a specific company is advertising in a certain country, you can choose it directly. So the reason why I chose France for this video is, if a company is advertising in Europe, according to the EU laws, you get to see a bit more data about the ad, which you can't see if you're selecting the same ad in the United States. So for example, let's select this video. So let's compare the same one with US and let's see the data which we see in the US, United States. So let's select this ad, and in France let's select the first ad we see over here. So here we see the first shown and last shown, both the dates. If you see the ad in US, it basically does not show any information. It just shows the ads they're running. You can see it over here, and then the last shown date. That's it, nothing else. I'll close this. So if you see the ads that are running in Europe, so you see the first shown and the last shown date over here, and then you also see the additional details if you scroll below. So if the ad has enough impressions, it also shows the average number of impressions an ad got. So it seems like it does not have enough impressions, that is why it is not showing. So the thing with Google Ads Transparency Center, you can only see the ad they are running. So you can't click an ad and then go to a landing page. So they don't show the landing page, they just show the ads. And even if you scroll down, you don't have much information over here. So I am currently on LinkedIn ad library. Actually, in LinkedIn ad library, there are two ways to find the ads a company is running. I'll firstly go with the easiest method. So I am currently on the Apple's LinkedIn page. So whichever company's ads you want to find, just go to their LinkedIn page, and then if you scroll down, you see something called view ad library if they ran ads until now. So I'll click on that, and that's it. You get to see all the ads they are running throughout the world. So you can click on an ad to see the ad and everything. So I'll go back. This is the easiest to find, but there are lots of disadvantages as well. Like for example, you can't filter the data using this method. If you choose a country, let's say I'll choose the first one, click on done and then search. It basically shows all the ads that are being run in this country. It does not show for this particular company which we are on. So filtering doesn't work in this method. So in that case, you can go back to LinkedIn library. So if you want to filter data, so I'll go with a company or advertiser name, Apple. Then in the country, I'll choose France, because as I said, if you get to see a lot more data if the ads are being run in European Union. In the date, I'll probably choose this year, done, and then search. So yeah, we see Apple's ad, and we also see another Apple's ad which we don't want actually. So this is the disadvantage with this method. So yeah, let's click on this one, view details, and yeah, because they're running this in European Union, you get to see a lot more data. So this ad was run between these dates, and it got around these many impressions, like the total impressions. You also see the language they use for targeting, the location, which is France of course, and then they used some inclusion and exclusion targeting as well. For the inclusion, I guess they did an account based marketing, and then included whatever companies they already have data about, and exclusion, I guess they excluded Microsoft or something to not show the ads to their competitors. The advantage with LinkedIn ad library, you can also click on the ad and see the landing page they used for the ad, and this is the landing page. So yeah, that is it regarding the LinkedIn ad library. I'll go back and I'll also show one other thing, which is if you're doing research about one particular topic and you want which you want to run ads in the future, so lead generation for me, and then you can choose the country. I'll choose France again. This year done search, so you see all the ads. So this is a very good place for inspiration, so you can find what kind of ads companies in this space are running, so that you'll get a basic idea about that. So yeah, that is it regarding LinkedIn ad library. Now let's look at the Meta ads library. So it works just like other platforms. You can here you can add category. I'll choose all. So here you can either choose a keyword, like type a keyword, or advertiser keyword. I'll type lead generation, then press enter. Meta has actually a lot more options, which is super nice. So if you look at the filters, they have a lot more options than other platforms. Like in the media, you can select memes and apply, which does not always work in the way expected, but yeah, it is a good thing that we have filters. So you can click on videos, for example, and then click apply filters, and then you see only the video. So this is very nice if you're doing some research or you're looking for some inspiration. Now I'll go to a business page to see exactly the ads they're running. I'll type Alex Hormozy. Now I see all the ads they're running. Let's click on one ad to see the details of the ad. So as I said, in European Union, you get to see a lot more data. So you can see all the countries they included, like they advertised in, and the age they used, the gender they're targeting, and the reach of this particular ad. So yeah, it's super nice. You get to see a lot of information over here. And one good thing with Meta ads, you can click on the link to see the landing page. So yeah, this is the landing page they used during the book launch. So yeah, this is one nice thing with other platforms like Meta and LinkedIn ads. You also get to see the landing page they used. So this video got a reach of like 3,300. Let's see the reach of other videos. This video has a reach of 13,000, which means that there is something to learn from this video. We can analyze the video and then write down everything which we think has worked in this video, and then apply the same in our videos. Apart from getting inspiration and seeing the ads a business runs, ads library can also be used to find the winning ads. Let's say if a brand has been running a certain ad without changing for a long duration, it's a sign that it is working and you could try that out. So you can also do one thing, you can also create an inspiration Excel sheet with the companies you want to follow, and then keep checking the ads they're running probably every week or once every 2 weeks. So did I miss anything? Please comment below. I'm happy to learn, and I'll see you in the next video.